Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me continue my last video from yesterday where I showed you the monetization for my channel, my ad revenue and details about ads on my YouTube channel. And now I will continue by showing you guys other methods that I use to monetize my YouTube channel. So the main method that I use is affiliate marketing. And also promoting my own products by affiliate marketing. So let me show you details about this. So if we go to videos here, we will see that I will have many tutorial videos for the plugins that I built. For example, this one. This is called Bulletproof YouTube Videos. It is a plugin that will be able to upload any YouTube video from that is hosted on YouTube directly to your Google Drive, to your Dropbox, to your FTP, to your server, to your OneDrive, and even to Amazon S3. So any of these storages will be supported, and you can select any YouTube video from YouTube and upload it directly to these cloud storage accounts that you own. And like this you will make backups for your own YouTube channels, backups for other YouTube channels, other YouTube videos that you don't actually own, but with this plugin it's possible. Okay, so this is how I monetize my YouTube channel. I add affiliate links to my own plugins in the video's description. So people come, find these videos, and they will scroll and see the video's description here, and they will go to this link, which is an affiliate link, which will point to my product on Envato. This was an Envato affiliate link, and Envato will pay me an additional percentage for referring the plugin with an affiliate link on Impact Radius. So I get paid on two fronts. The first front, the client comes on the video and finds the plugin and he purchases it. So he buys it and pays me directly. And on the other front, Envato rewards me that the customer purchased using my affiliate link on Impact Radius. So if you don't have your own products, for example on Envato or on CodeCanyon, Team Forest or anything else, you can select plugins and themes that are already there, and you can still get the affiliate cut from Impact Radius. So this can be done very easily. Simply you embed a link to a plugin or a product from Envato, CodeCanyon into the description of the video, and you will earn your affiliate cuts from these sales that you generate. Okay, so this is my second method and also the third method, because these are two methods in one. So I generate sales for my own plugins, and I generate sales for my affiliate marketing efforts on Impact Radius using my YouTube channel. So these are the second and first. So second and fourth, sorry. So first is ad revenue, which I showed you in the last video of yesterday. The second is I generate sales for my own products. And the third is affiliate revenue for my own products, or also for other products that I haven't created, because sometimes I create videos also that include affiliate links for products that are not created by me, and for those I only get the affiliate cut, the affiliate revenue. So these are the three pillars of monetizing my YouTube channel right now. And yeah, this is how I make money on YouTube. And yeah, okay, so this is all for now. I hope you learned some insights from this video. And you can check also my impact radius report, because I have a video on my YouTube channel with this. I will link in this video's description to the video where you can find my impact radius report, where you can see details about my affiliate earnings that were generated by this YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for staying until the end of the video, and also please subscribe to this channel because it is really appreciated, and also hit the bell notification because I create a new video each day at 8 p.m. GMT and I upload it here on my YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you very much once again and see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye bye, and don't forget to stay safe.